I'm Cindy Dahl from Chantilly, Virginia, and I wanted to update my bathrooms. I've lived in the house since 1986, and I had a 1980s bathroom, so I needed to do some major updating. So I asked around at work, and one of my coworkers had mentioned that she used 𝘉𝘈𝘛𝘏 Kitchen and Bath for both her kitchen and her bathroom, and highly recommended them. So I contacted them. I talked to 𝘒𝘐𝘔𝘓𝘓, met with 𝘒𝘐𝘓, the designer, and the one thing I was looking for is a one-stop shop. I wanted to go in and meet with the designer, have someone help me with the design, and choose all of the materials all in one spot. So I met with 𝘒𝘐𝘓, and he came out and he did the design. We did two different designs, and I chose this one, as you see behind me. After meeting with 𝘒𝘐𝘓, I went in and chose all of the materials, and then I met with Sam, the project manager. Sam, my project manager, was very, very easy to work with and very responsive. Once the work got started, it was actually during COVID time, but I was never worried. The workers, Richard and his crew that came out every day, always were professional. They always wore their mask. If they needed to talk to me, they kept their distance. So I never felt worried. I was never stressed. Everything worked great, even though it was during the COVID time. Every day when they left, Richard and his crew left this place spotless. It was very clean, there was no dust, they vacuumed, and I even had one of my friends come over and she commented about how clean it was and asked me who I used. So hopefully she will use 𝘉𝘈𝘛𝘏 one day. In conclusion, I absolutely love my bathrooms. 𝘉𝘈𝘛𝘏 and the crew, Richard and everyone, did a fantastic job. It's absolutely beautiful, and I walk in here every morning and just absolutely love it. I would highly recommend 𝘉𝘈𝘛𝘏 Kitchen and Bath to anyone, and I will definitely use them in the future.